Good morning. It is Thursday. I honestly don't even know what day, like number it is. Is it the 27th? No. 25, 26, 27. It's the 28th. I am on my way to pick up my sister because we are going to go to Trader Joe's, and I just have a few other errands that I need to run. So I need to go to Ross because I haven't returned the jacket that I bought and I didn't like it on me. And then I also need to go pick up my prescription. So just a couple of other stuff that I want to do since I'm out now. I'm back from Trader Joe's. I picked up my sister. We went to Trader Joe's. Ross, I returned the jacket, and then I picked up my prescription, and we ended up getting just some breakfast from Jack in the Box, so I hung out with her for a while, but she needed to get ready for work, so I'm back home, and I thought I would just do my quick little Trader Joe's haul. First thing that I got are these flowers. They are so pretty. It was my dog's 2-year anniversary since his passing this December, and I didn't get him any flowers, which was something that I really just enjoy doing, just getting them some flowers here and there, but of course on their passings as well. So I got those for him. I'm a little bit late, but better late than never. I got the organic corn chip dippers. These are just like Frito-Lay's bananas. Aussie style chocolate cream sandwich cookies coated in chocolate. I've never tried them, but they look good. And then the rest of the stuff are for the fridge, freezer. This is actually for my mom. She just asked me to pick it up for her. It's a traditional meatloaf, giant strawberries. I have never tried this, but it's beef bulgogi. It's thinly sliced marinated beef in sweet and savory sauce. This I also haven't tried, but just the picture looks really good, but it's tteokbokki. It's Korean spicy stir-fried rice cakes, loaded potatoes, and the garlic pesto pizza. Don't do it. Get down. Ándale. Get down. Ándale. Pepper keeps on getting on the table, and then she wants to get to the stove, so I put like a piece of aluminum foil to see if that'll stop her from doing that. But I thought I would try the cookies, because why not? Very chocolatey. It's yummy. It is really chocolatey, so probably only eat like one at a time. Anyways, I'm finishing up laundry. I'm actually right now washing Pepper's blankets and one of her toys that she keeps on soaking in her water. I don't really have anything else that I have planned for the rest of the day. I'm, I think, past 80% on hunting Adeline, so I think I can finally finish it today, and I'm excited to like finally find out what is gonna happen. I also want to try the Revlon hair drying brush, so I'm thinking that I'll do that today since I have time. Oh, you give me kisses. Oh, it's on your nose. It's on your nose, silly. This spider has been inhabiting in here for months now. I just dropped a bunch of leaves because I saw a video that like it'll come out and think that it's caught something, and it's right there. I see you. I'm not trying to kill it. I would just like to grab it and put it somewhere else. Thank you. It's out, y'all. The trick worked. Now I just have to try to make it come fully out so that I can just like drop it on the floor. because I don't want to kill it. It went back inside. He's coming back out. There he is. That's him right there. Why am I whispering? I mean, I'm pretty sure you can see me, right? He had gone back inside and now he's out again. Oops. Now I have this dried palm leaf. But now I'm just kind of like shaking. Oh. Oh my god, he's out. Now what do I do? Oh my god, he's on. We got him out, you guys. We got him out. Oh no, I'm sorry. Oh, he's out. Okay, now I can clean all of this off. We did it. Now I'm just hoping that there's not another one in there. The mailman was just here. I hope he wasn't in the way. Were you in the way, sir? Y'all, look at what my brother found at Costco. I'm so excited. I have seen other Costco's in other states have this, and I was never able to find it in my Costco. And now, I am so excited. I love these. So, seems like they've made their way to California. My water intake has been ass. So, if yours has too, this is your sign. Drink your water. Anyways, I just got out of the shower and I thought that I would try the Revlon, I still don't technically know what it's called, hairbrush dryer thingy. Just combing out my tangles right now. I'm applying the Tresemme heat protectant spray. This is the Keratin Smooth. And then I will part my hair in like a, half up, half down. And we'll see how it works. I'm excited. Also, I did decide to delete my second Vlogmas. Unfortunately, that one had copyright music in it, and I was just gonna leave it, but I was just like reading about like copyright strikes, and obviously they can remove your channel or remove your account, and so I don't really want that. So I just looked through the footage again, and I mean, it was really just me organizing my clothes, getting like this, like a vanity organizer. And later in the day I did my nighttime skincare routine. So the nighttime skincare routine, I can always just redo it and show it again. I'm gonna spray a little more of the heat protectant. Okay, so it looks like this. It came with the pieces separately, and to remove it has this little, what would you call it, latch? I don't know. But you just push it down and then you can twist it off and it'll come off. And then to just put it back on, it just clicks. The settings are down here. It's just like a twist dial. It's off, cool, low, medium, and high. I think I'm gonna start with medium. And we'll see how that goes. This is the end for the bottom of the hair out. Show back. Definitely is poofy. I think at the very end, I'll just run some, should I just do it now? Like, I don't really want to put too much oil in my hair because I usually just put it once I'm done instead of like section by section. anyways, as you guys can see, I do still have like a little bit of curl or wave. So far, not bad, not bad. Let me see if I can just do a little bit of oil. So this is the side with oil, this is the side without. Why am I all the way over here? It helped a little bit, mostly the ends I feel. The top is still pretty frizzy and floofy. Gave it some extra shine, but yeah, I'm gonna do the rest of my hair and then I will show you guys the finished result. I look crazy. Please do not mind the poofy hair and the redness. It is hot in here. But I just wanted to show you guys, like, so on this side, I just have this little bit left. On this side, you guys can see it's still like a little bit like crimpy, still wavy. And then over here, definitely looks straighter. So I used a smaller piece on this side, and I will say I took my time a little bit more. So you can definitely get like a more like straight result if you just take smaller sections and take your time, which is kind of like, obviously, I feel like that's with any sort of hairstyling tool. But this is what we got so far. It honestly is like huge. I don't know that I would just use this to style my hair. I might like do a little bit of, either I would straighten it before, or I would use the blow dryer and then I might like straighten, obviously, like the pieces to just kind of flatten them down a little bit. But otherwise, like, I really do like the curl that it's giving me. I was able to kind of get like, I don't know if you can see them now, but I was able to get like little curls like this rather than just like swooped out. So far it's cute, even though I look insane. So I'm gonna continue. Wait, look at how cute that is. Oh my god, my ears. I don't know if you guys can, yeah, you guys can see it. They are so hot. I mean, I've been blowing hot air in my face for the past 30 minutes or so, but ooh, I like that. That's cute. Even like the way that it's styled with like little pulled back moment. So this is the finished, who is she? Oh my god, I look crazy. I'm so rosy now, but this is what it looks like. In frame. It honestly is pretty cute if it weren't so big. Like, it looks kind of crazy, but I do like it. I think definitely for my type of hair, I really like the bangs, how they came out. I think for my type of hair, I would definitely have to straighten it. I just have a lot of hair and it's really curly, so unless it's literally being pancaked between two hot irons, I think this is the best that I can get. Let me see what it looks like if I put my hair up in a ponytail. Oh shoot. My bangs honestly aren't even really bangs. I cut my own bangs at the beginning of this year, like I wanted to do a whole like curly fringe moment. That did not last. You know how it usually goes when you cut your own bangs at home. I think I wore them for like a couple of days, and then the rest of the time I was just bobby pinning them back. Oh, shut up. That is cute. Oh my God, look at this little curl. Okay. Who is she? Okay, so, I mean, if anything, if I wanted to do like a really nice ponytail, this could work for that. Cute. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. What do you guys think? Oh, that is so stinking cute. Okay, so I'm going to end the vlog here because I feel like I'm always saying, honestly, I don't know how much I've vlogged. Sometimes I think that I have vlogged nothing, and then I end up with like a 25-30 minute videos to edit. But today I genuinely don't know. But this was pretty much the last thing that I wanted to show you guys. If I had to guess, it's like $8.49. Shut the heck up, it's 8:45. I kid you not, I did not look at the clock. Anyways, so I will probably read until maybe 9:30, 10, it depends. I'm really close to finishing Hunting Adeline. I'm pretty sure I'm over the 85% mark, but I'm also wondering if I should gather the clips that I have, see how much I have time-wise or length-wise, and figure out if I'm going to put these clips with tomorrow. I don't know, this is me just talking out loud, but that is all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. Let me know what you guys think on the hair. Honestly, for 40 bucks, I think it was like 38 something, the Revlon brush, I'm not mad. I will say I did see it in stores, and it might have not been in the correct area, but the price tag below said it was like $70 or maybe even more, like $70 to $80. And online it was $40, and then it was discounted the day that I saw it. So buy your stuff off Target app. You can just go pick it up, drive up, get it delivered. Okay, time to remove all this hair. All right, I'm gonna keep removing this hair from the brush, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks again so much for watching, guys. Bye.